I have started filming this video earlier? Yes. Am I starting to film it now? Yes. Tomorrow is my sister's birthday party. She's having a tea party and I think I'm gonna be a butler for it because yeah, check out that video once it comes up. But my room is a mess and I need to clean it really, really badly. So we're just gonna clean up my room and be productive today. Oh, I should have got a trash bag. Screw that. Y'all are coming with me to get a trash bag. While we are on this walk, I'm going to say y'all should go follow me on my Snap and my Instagram. Whenever I post a video, which is Tuesdays and Thursdays currently at 12 p.m., I usually post an Instagram post at 1 p.m. afterwards. Go to my Snap story, because I post my Snap story every single day. My BTS Uno deck, if you haven't seen that video, go check that out. Right now, I'm going through my clean clothes. I need to sort them. I'm so happy fall is coming. I'm filming this video on September 19th. I have this rule with myself. I would never wear shorts, ever. Like, I'd wear pants in the summer, and then I'd look at all my shorts, and I'd never wear them in the fall. So I made a rule with myself that I cannot wear shorts until the first day. No, I cannot wear pants until the first day of fall. And fall's coming, and I gotta start wearing pants. Currently, all I've done today is, like, watch Thai dramas. A lot of new ones are coming out this season, and I'm so excited to watch them. I think I started I'm T, Me Too last night, where it's a household of 6 guys named T. T-E-E. But you know you're in too deep when you can recognize all the shows that those actors have been in. Sinkdo is serving us some looks in that show though. Freaking love Sinkdo. My favorite actor is Sinkdo. I don't know much about him and I don't want to get too deep, but he's a freaking great actor. I'm breaking up with you because you chew too loudly. You laughed too. So imagine you're going to go see your boyfriend and he tells you he's breaking up with you because you chew too loudly, and then you pick up some food and you start chewing it and then he tries to hit you with a chair. What? The explanation of Thai dramas is for real. These are the shorts. All of my shorts go in this basket right beside my bed. These, I know where these go, sort of. Oh, I need to clean this out. So these are all my sweaters. That's a hoodie. That should be hanging up, actually. All the things hanging up. Oh my gosh. I definitely need to do a closet clean out video. Actually, I'm probably gonna do an organizing my closet video because it's gonna give me the motivation to actually clean up my closet as well as making it look nice. Because then I get a video out of it because I've been running out of video ideas. YouTube problems. Ow! Put my hand on my foot. I have this huge bag of clothes. Oh, there's a purse on top. We'll bring that out. That's nice. That's fancy. Yes. So I'm probably gonna do an Instagram live about that. So make sure to follow my Instagram, even though I already told y'all to do it earlier. And if you guys haven't, you ain't real fans. I'm done. I'm very happy. This all looks so much nicer. I need to kind of organize these papers through here. That's my Korean journal. That's a Japanese book. That's my fitness notebook. 2020-21 lyric notebook. That's my 2019-2020 lyric notebook. Paper, BTS magazine, my 2018-2019 music notebook, and then a random notebook. And then there's my TXT albums, my BTS World, Super M, Mark, and Kai, as well as my jewelry box. There's my ukulele. This is Felix. BTS Uno, headphones, a hat, makeup, all my jewelry, deodorant, and trash. Look at me! I have these notes on here. This is to remind me to post on my Snap story and my Instagram story. I don't really post on my Instagram story. I need to get better at that. What's today? This is today. No, that's today. That's my birthday. And this video should be going up September 29th. Haha! I think I'm gonna put my birthday on there actually. Oh, we got Jungkook and RM's birthday. I forgot. So, oh, that's my birthday. B-Day. Kind of funny because it's also B-Day at my school that day. I have driver's ed, so I go to school every B-Day that they have. Next week, I'll be there Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then the week after, I'll be there Tuesday, Thursday, and then like it keeps swapping. Actually, I think I'm also supposed to take my permit test that day, so I do need to study for that because I tried the DMV online ones and I kind of failed those. Haha. Lunch sounds pretty good, so let's do that. The china is all for the tea party tomorrow. I need to pick out a butler outfit actually, but that's gonna be in the next video. Well, it's gonna be my butler video. And that's not gonna come out for a few months. Pork cocksuckers. This looks like my ice cream from last night. I don't know, everybody in the family got one, so now we don't know how to tell them apart. You know what also just happened? In the Thai shows I watch, they freaking uploaded a new video today. I want to be productive today. All I've done today is watch Thai dramas. I need to finish editing a video, I need to upload it, I need to do a thumbnail for it, I need to put tags and all them, description and titles, schedule them as well as coming up with my Instagram posts, edit those, schedule those, caption those, tag those, and then I'm good for the week. Actually, and then I need to start editing this video as well as editing the video after this, which will be what high schoolers are actually wearing this fall. That'll be coming Thursday, so make sure to keep that open in your schedule. I want to try some new diets. I want to get back into running a mile a day. That was a really healthy time. I want to try the Jennie Blackpink diet. I don't like a lot of K-pop songs these days. People keep asking me if I still listen to K-pop. Yeah, I do, but I dislike a lot. I dislike a lot of Blackpink's new music. All they do nowadays is collaborate with people, and it's really annoying. How you like that is it's just a remake of Kill This Love. And Kill This Love, I only like the end part.
We must kill this love, yeah, it's sad but true. Gotta kill this love before it kills you too.
And then Ice Cream with Selena Gomez. Yeah, it's okay, I guess, but I don't like it. I'm too soggy right now. Fun fact, it's healthier to drink after you eat and not while eating, because if you drink while eating, it can slow down your digestion and your metabolism for that time.
So really you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya?
Have I completely forgotten about filming this video? Yes. So my mom came back, and since Ellie's birthday party is tomorrow, we have all food, so Macy and I are putting it all away. So I just filmed the entire clip of us getting this all out, and then I found out it wasn't recording. But all that's for the party tomorrow, I think. We did what we could. We have a lot for tomorrow's party. I still need to come up with my butler outfit and finishing editing the other video, because stupid me got into making a Dungeons and Dragons character in the middle of this. You can't do that. That would take hours. A Dungeons and Dragons character I bet would take like 2 days. I've only had like 3 hours on mine. I got to go finish editing. I've been continuing to film, and my camera continually cuts out and like stops filming. It's getting really, really annoying. Honestly, I don't understand why, for real though. What I am doing, I am sending streaks, and I updated my Snap story, which I did YOLOs today. But normally I don't do YOLOs. I only do them like maybe every once a week or every 2 weeks. Actually, this is only my second time doing YOLOs. Y'all can add me for next time I do it. Also, if you guys ever come from my YouTube to my Snap, just be like, hello fairy godmother. If you guys say hello fairy godmother, I will immediately answer you guys. As soon as it's opened, there'll be like little leeway between the opening and the receive times. Fabby tabulous. Hello. I need to get out more today, Pete's sake. Hello. Wait, who's on my best friends list? That moment when you're looking for someone and they're all the way down in the list and it takes years to find them. There he is. Yep, there you go. People are messaging me a lot. A lot of random people. Ooh, I like this.
My sis freaking came back from Dollar General with my mom, and they both came back with freaking one of these for everyone. Guess who's not sleeping tonight?
Hello. I need to get out more today, Pete's sake. I just knocked the deodorant stick over, and for some reason the first thing that came to mind was, I wonder what would it be like if you snorted deodorant. I think I need help. And then go to bed. Are you really listening to this?
I am.
I do not know the difference between an iPhone, an Android, and a Samsung, but between all of that, I've got a Samsung.
No. Say that when it's ended, because I want that video on my story.
Yes. Hello to you too, Kylie.
Okay.
Dude, of course. I'm always open to new friendships. Just hit me up, y'all. And don't be too creepy with it, because I will just leave you unseen.